Hey there, this is Christy from the Art Center. Since we can't have in-person classes, we decided to bring some projects to you. If you have some scissors and glue and a stack of old magazines, you're good to go. First, you'll copy your design onto the paper with a pencil. I'm using the edge of one of my magazines as a straight edge to draw some straight lines across the paper, very lightly with my pencil. Here in the background of your artwork, you'll write a poem or verse that speaks to you, or maybe you'll create your own. This is a good way to process some of the feelings that come up during this unprecedented time. For my work, I chose a passage in Proverbs. A merry heart doeth good like a medicine, but a broken spirit drieth the bones. And this is a reminder to myself not to get down and out, but to try to find some joy in every day. Now that you have your background prepared, you'll look at your reference picture and cut out some scraps of paper that match the colors in your picture. You'll find some interesting textures. Make sure you have a variety of light and dark colors. When you've got a good variety of colors that match your picture, now it's time to start cutting out shapes that match the shapes in your picture. You'll cut, measure, trim, and then glue the shape down. And just keep up this process until you have all the objects in your picture filled in. Pay attention to how light or how dark the colors are. And that is all there is to it. You can create a beautiful piece of artwork with scissors and glue and old magazines. When it's all finished, you may want to brush a coat of decoupage over the surface, but that's not necessary. You also might decide to frame it later. I hope you'll share your work with us, either on Facebook or here in the comments. But most of all, I hope you're inspired to try something new today and find some joy and some beauty in this day and every day.